why do you have to halve and double to make the sum?
Because that's what it's called. Double and half.
Double and half. But why do we double and half? Does anyone know why we double and half?
Changes the sum.
It does change the sum. And what we do on this side, we're doing the... You managed to do that and you still have no idea?
I know what it's called.
Yeah. Let's put it up there because it is one we haven't used yet and it is a really good strategy. Alright, how about you sit down and we'll see if anyone can think to their partner. I want you to talk 1 minute to your partner. Why do you have to halve one side? Do you have to double the other side?
And perhaps draw a picture to show what we mean. Draw a picture. Look up it out, just find a spot.
But to your partner, quickly, 1 minute. Why do you halve one side and double the other side?
See
If
if
you
you can
change the sum.
explain it with a picture perhaps. Off you go.
Change the other because that would be even double because
Have you used a double and half strategy before, you two? No? Okay. You've halved this one and doubled that one. That's exactly what you did.
Can you draw a
Show me
picture?
a picture of why you did it.
If you only have one.
How does that work? Or is it just a trick? It might not work with two different numbers. Is it just a trick or does it work every time?
Half of the answer. And if you
Prove it to me.
do
See, that's not good enough. I need some proof. I need to know that it's going to work every single time.
then it's
Okay, so you're saying you've halved one and doubled the other because they're opposite operations? Okay, that's a
Getting along the right way.
Along the right track, can you draw a picture to describe that? Perhaps like I did, making a rectangle out of the 12 lots of 15. Maybe go from there, see if you can draw a picture.
Yes.
Yes? Yes?
So that would equal 22.
Yes?
That would be 4. And
4 lots.
that equals 81.
Right, it does work.
Mm-hmm.
Lachlan tells me it works because it works with two different numbers. What about another set of numbers? How can I be sure it will work every single time?
And Natalia's told me that if you only halve one side, the answer's going to be completely wrong. We're going to be way out.
That's also just single.
So why?
Show it this way.
if you
Because you halved the 12.
double one
What are
side,
you going to do with
then
that
it's going
side?
to be double the answer. And if you halve one side, then it's going to be half your answer. If you
So if you were to
you have to
cut
half
this,
you have to half one side
Yep.
and double the other side
To end up with...
your right answer. Because if you do that, then you have to have both sides opposite. You have to have one half and one double. So
And what's the measurement?
Can you draw a picture of it?
You had 15.
Can you draw a picture of it? Show me. I want to see the picture that you would draw to show me a double and half.
On time. And it would have even worked, Lachlan, I suspect, had you halved
so
this
we
one.
only use one
Had you
half.
halved the 15 to make 7.5 and doubled that one to make 24, does that work? 24 times 7.5? Do you still get 180? Except that it's a nasty sum.
It's a
horrible. You
horrible
haven't made
sum,
it easier at
Sarah.
all, have you?
I did look at another sum that would be half.
Yeah, you do.
Yes,
Half-
yes,
half
I liked
the
it.
first.
I liked it.
Jack, show us how. Lachlan's told us he can prove it because he's tried it with other numbers, so it works.
Is that right? Okay.
So we know it works. I want to see if anyone can come up with the picture.
That is 6, and then some like that, so that would be 6, and then so that's 15.
pair of scissors and you could cut this rectangle in half that way and stick that half underneath this half, you'd have a long skinny rectangle that would be 30 lots of 6. Half of 12, double 15. Oh, stop.